Hey everyone, happy Feature Friday. So this is part 6, the last one of the graphical applications we're going to talk about. So we're going to look at the crew management and then finally the appointment book applications. Okay, so graphical crew management starts out with a crew list. So you need to focus down into a single crew or a list of crews. And you're able to see in that crew the assigned labor that is available there. You can also see whether the requirements of the crew, the different roles, the different positions that are necessary for the crew to function, whether those qualifications are met or not. You can also go in and modify crew assignments as necessary, and you can also update, I should say, the labor and any assets and crew records that exist over in the background from graphical crew management. I bring this slide up just to mention that there's a lot of different colors on all these different graphical displays, and so you really need to go into the user documentation to understand what the different colors mean, and they do all mean different things. So, like for example, here in crew management, labor availability, asset assignments, and crew assignments, they all have different colors, of course, to represent different situations. So you really need to go find this information in the documentation so that this displays make a whole lot more sense to you. Okay, so our last graphical application is actually two applications. One is what's called an appointment book manager, which is the first thing you're going to work with. And then secondarily is the graphical appointment book itself. So as you can see here on the slide, the very first step is to set up your different appointment books, and that is done under the administration module. So the key statement here is over on the left-hand side. It says that an appointment book, it's a calendar view of the daily time slots in which an appointment for on-premises work can be done. Once these books are defined, you can then add other information such as which particular job plan your crew, whoever is going to be making appointments or fulfilling the appointments, whatever particular job plan they might be doing, and then of course the appointment window that you may wish to exist. So this is the format, this is the structure of the appointments that you're going to allow your crews to then be managed against. You need to select people and groups that have access to this particular book, and then of course you can define work order statuses that you can associate with the different appointments that you're making. So then if you view the appointment book, and we're still in the appointment book manager, you're able to see the time slots. In this particular case, any particular day, a green time slot shows that this is an available window, and it'll also show you if there are any appointments that have been made or the ones that are available. Okay, so now you can go and open up the appointment book in the graphical appointment book application. And this is where you can view and create and update appointments. Notice that how you search by appointments is by location, the appointment book, and also the job plan that's related to it. Then it's a simple matter of right-clicking on the green cells where you have available appointments and to add the appointment, and also a related work order will be created as well. And of course, the number of available appointments in the green cell will be reduced by 1. Also within appointment books, please note that you can take advantage of communication templates as well as work logs on appointments to make sure that you've got some clear communication across to everybody. And finally, of course, you can open the existing appointments section to see any scheduled appointments. You can edit the appointment and the assignments as well. And you can also cancel the appointment, but keep in mind if you do that, it's going to cancel that work order that you created as well. Okay, so there we go. That's it. We did our 6-part series on the graphical scheduling applications. I hope that was helpful. Just little tidbits about each one. Certainly, if you want more information about some of the more feature functionalities in there, you're going to have to go look at IBM documentation or give TRM a call. We certainly do lots of training on these particular apps. So hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next week with another topic.